Hi everybody, it's Positive Bluebird. It's Whatever Wednesday, so stay tuned. I have some tips for you. Okay, so what we're going to start with today are a few tips that I learned a long time ago from a woman that I follow on Pinterest. These are from very large soup cans, and what you do is you pull the tab off the can and buy one of these really huge, wonderful file square things from Home Depot or wherever, and file this little sharp edge down. Just like that. I know it sounds terrible, but some people that like that ASMR might find that soothing. So what you're going to do with this tab is with the smaller hole, once it is filed down so it doesn't cut you, is you're going to loop it over your hanger. Let's try that again, shall we? Loop it over the hanger, and then we're going to loop it over the second hanger, just like that. And then you're going to take the hanger with the loop, hook it on just like that. Third article of clothing, just like that. Ugh. Isn't that awesome? So this will save some space in your closet, and I do this all the time. So the next couple of things that I'm going to show you, I'm not sure if anybody else on social media or craft sites have done, but I love to recycle and reuse, and I do follow a lot of wonderful artists on Pinterest that just turn any kind of trash into art, and as you can tell, I have done so, and I love it, and thank you to those who love it too. Anyway, I found this hanger, and I don't know if it came from an undergarment at Walmart or Dollar Tree, or if it had a scarf on it, I don't know. But it had a bunch of holes in it, and I decided to just go ahead and put my favorite earrings, and then a couple of bobby pins, and here I'm just going to put a sticker on it. Okay, so I bought the foil stickers from Dollar Tree, and as you can see, I've put them to good use. These are adorable unicorns with flowers and hearts. The sun keeps coming and going, so I apologize for that. So here it is. I put a few on the front. It was not going to fit a unicorn, so I decided to choose the flowers and the heart. And for any little girl or a teenager, they may want this hanging on their wall out in the open with maybe a really pretty thumbtack. But for me, I'm just going to put it in my closet. So I have this little brooch chain that I have found, and I think it was from a piece of jewelry that used to be my grandma's. I'm not really sure. I don't need it except for putting it to good use, and decorated another little small weird hanger. I don't know where I get half of this stuff, but I have like a recycle box in my closet, and I just throw things in there because I figured I can use it at some point. And obviously I like to hang my hair ties on it, and there you have it. Now, some little girl, again, might like to have this out in the open and have a nice little table stand and this hooked on the wall. But again, I'm older and I'm just going to put it in my closet. So next, I'm going to show you this little bottle that I got from Dollar Tree. And what I did was I just put a few stickers on here and started with this. I wrote the word lotion, Mod Podged it, glued it on, Mod Podged the purple paper, and then I stuck the little foil stickers all around it. Okay, last but never least, I love these hangers with the clips. And I have been dyeing paper with tea bags and coffee grounds. And what I do is I just take paper and I like to crinkle it up, and I put it in a bowl with the tea bags and keep it in there overnight. The next day, I carefully wring them out and I line dry them in the bathroom over the tub. So this is great for any kind of art or pictures that you want to hang up that are watercolor perhaps, and you want them to dry. So that has been your recycle DIY whatever Wednesday. I want to thank all of my wonderful, loyal supporters and friends and family here on my channel and believing in me. Peace out and stay positive, everyone.